Okay, so how do you make someone have contact with a child when they don't want to? Simple answer is you can't. The law doesn't mention this at all. There's no provision for this. There's a really good practical reason for that, and that's because would you really want your child to be around someone who clearly doesn't want to see them? The best case scenario of a child is that they have two involved parents that love them, meet their needs, listen to their concerns, and parent them in a very good way. But if one of them's not interested, it's probably better that the children don't see them. You know what? Would you inflict that on your kids? No. How would it be for your kids for them to say, "I saw Daddy and he just wasn't interested. He was told me to go away. He was on his phone. He said he didn't care what I did, didn't care what I thought." Now that's hard for kids, but that's the way it is, unfortunately. Now the law is a blunt instrument. On top of the fact that the law is silent on that, that's the Children Act 1989, it's also worth remembering that there is even case law for this. Prominent judge has said that there is no way that a parent can be compelled to make contact. The law is different to morals. Like I say, the law is a blunt instrument. And what should happen and what the law says are not exactly the same thing. Morals and laws are different things. The law cannot make someone behave reasonably. It can't make you communicate with your ex. It can't make you be positive. It can't make you work together. What it can do is order certain things. That's set out in the Children Act. The powers available to the court is one of the points in the welfare checklist. So the answer to that is no, you can't force someone to have contact. And the sad thing to say is that the only thing worse than your kids not seeing your ex-partner at all is being forced to have contact with someone that doesn't want to see them.